Hello people. Yeah, today I'm gonna speak in only in English. Okay, you can think that what is this? He's having the channel name as Vasu Tamilanda, but he's going to speak in English. Like that, you may have some questions. But in today's video, we're gonna see about that group discussion. So I thought that if we put that in language English, it will be helpful for whole India. It is a national, so it will be very useful for all people over there. But if I put in Tamil only, it will be for useful for a particular state. So I thought that we will put this video in English. So I am making this video in English. Don't skip, watch till last. It will be very useful for you people. And then I just want to say that I am not a pro in English and all, and also I am not very good at GD and all, group discussion. I have just small experiences. I have attended some group discussion for campus placements and also in my college. So I thought that we will make a video for telling people about what is group discussion and also how they can rock it. So I thought of making this video. First of all, what is group discussion? This is the first question we have to know the answer for. Okay, what is group discussion? It is a forum in which all participants will speak about their opinions and ideas and views based on the topic given by the evaluator. Okay, why they are evaluating a group discussion? Because they are going to give you a job, so they are having a group discussion. Is the group discussion is for selecting a student for a job? No, obviously the answer is no. They are keeping group discussion only for eliminating students, because in group discussion they can eliminate a mass crowd, so only they are keeping group discussions. Group discussions are not only for giving a job, it is also conducted in colleges for giving some awards and also to test your skills and for better improvement. Also group discussions are conducted. So after coming to the topic group discussion, we want to know what are the skills that are tested in group discussion. That is the main thing. Okay, when it comes to group discussion, the things tested, the first one is communication skills, because the way you speak matters a lot. So the communication skills matters a lot. And then coming your leadership skills, because how you are engaging with the group and how you are taking the group as a leader, that skill matters a lot. And then convincing skills. Yeah, convincing skills also matters a lot, because if you are sharing some statistics data, for example, in Tamil Nadu, 1,334 people got affected by corona. Like that, you are stating a statement like this. Someone may ask that, Mr. Vasudevan, could you please say about the reference? Like that, he may ask. So at that time, I have to give the reference. Then only it is my convincing skills. So that skills matters a lot. And then group environment behavior. How I am behaving in a group, as a group, how I am behaving, that matters a lot. And then our postures, gestures, those all things matter. And also eye contact and smile, this also matters a lot. And then last but not the least, the most important skill is listening skill, because in a group discussion, the discussion will be around average of 10 minutes. In that, for 1.5, that is 1.5 minute only, you are going to speak in that group discussion. For the rest 8.5 minutes, you are just going to listen. While you are listening, the evaluator will look into you. He will think what he is doing, how he is listening. These are all evaluated. So listening skill matters a lot. So you have to listen a lot in group discussion. Okay, after coming from that, what are the topics which are given in group discussion? The first thing is general topic. When I say general topic, the first topic comes to your mind is environmental science, global warming. Like that, all these are general topics. Corona, COVID-19, that is also a general topic. And then coming to the controversial topic. What is controversial topic? Controversial topic means that is kind of based on politics, or it may be like that Sabarimala issue, like a religion. So it will be like a controversial topic. That is the second topic. And then the third one is problem statements. What is problem statements? In engineering and all, they will give some problem statements for finding a solution or a engineering project. So they will give the problem statement and they will give you 2 to 3 minutes for preparing, and then you will speak up and you will come up with the solution. That is group discussion with the topic of problem statement. And then the fourth topic is abstract. In small ages, you would have read about that abstract noun and all. That is the topic. Here you can expect topics like sky, and then blue, Yeah, blue is a color. And then pen, pencil, like that. These are abstract topics can be expected as a topic in group discussions. Okay, we have covered all these things. This many times, if possible, help others. Otherwise, just keep quiet. So like this in group discussion also, it is not mandatory that we have to know all things in group discussion to rock in a GD. We just have to know what are the don'ts in group discussion. So I have posted a story in my Instagram so that people can ask their doubts and questions in that forum. So many people have asked questions in that. I will answer all those questions. I have attached the video with this, so you can see all those things and you can understand well about what are the don'ts in group discussion, and obviously you can rock in group discussion. If you have any doubt, I have posted all my Instagram ID, mobile number, everything in the description box. So if you have any doubt, you can feel free to contact me and you can ask me. I will help you with that. And then finally, before going into that don'ts, now I have to share something serious before going to our next section, that is don'ts in group discussion. We are living in our home. We can't eat pizzas, burgers, chicken, fish. We can't cut our hair in saloons, and then we can't go outside. We can't stay in the same place for a long time. We can't keep on using our mobile for 16 hours. These are all the problems that are faced by ours. I also said these problems, but just think about the people who are living in the roadsides. They can't even get food. They don't even have home. So we also have to think about them. For these roadside peoples and for those people who are physically challenged and mentally challenged, there are so many organizations and charity. They are helping. They are feeding them food. So what I am saying is that if possible, you can give them, because they are based only on the daily wages. So if they don't have job in these days, they are only believing about that ration shops, rice giving in the ration shop. Even in that place also they are giving with mud and stones, so they can't eat for a long period. This lockdown may extend also. So if possible, in your locality, just help the needy and poor, and also give some food for dogs in the roadsides. And I have to say about NGO here, that is VM Foundations. It is started by my friend Mr. Hari Krishnan. He started with the initials of his father and mother, that is VM Foundations. I have put the description. In the description I have put the Instagram link of their page, so you can check out. If possible, you can donate, and or else you can join with them. You can donate. They are a trust. They are helping only for the roadside people. For the past 6 months they are doing this. Before they were doing in a monthly basis. Now they are doing for people in a weekly basis by getting so many donations from others. Soon they are going to do for every day. There is a appreciable one. I am saying this because not for an advertisement or promotion, nothing like that. He is my friend. He is doing a good job to this society. So I just want to say about that here. So I have put in the description. I have put their Instagram link and also his mail ID. If you need any collaboration or any further details, you can contact him and help others. Stay home, stay safe. Let's go into our other section. Yeah, this is that page, VM Foundation CBE. This was the page that I was talking about. They are non-profit organization dedicated to serve the people, and these are some of their posts. They are helping the roadside peoples, and soon they are going to be a non-government organization. They are going to help students by giving books and also by conducting blood donation camps. These are the things that are done by the VM Foundation. Okay, now we can go into our group discussion don'ts. Okay, let's start the Q&A session. This is the story which I posted in my Instagram, so that people can ask questions, so that I can answer those in my YouTube video. The first question is GD same procedure for all streams or differs? Yeah, it is an interesting question, brother. Yeah, it is same for all streams. The question he is asking is, it is same for all streams means all engineering backgrounds, and also for all MBA, also for competitive exams, it is same like that he is asking. Yeah, the procedure is just same because group discussion is general. You are just communicating about a topic in a group with all the participants. So it is same even for sales job, also for mechanical jobs. For all the jobs, group discussion is same. They are conducting only for eliminating a mass crowd. And then the next question is basic rules. The basic rules is you should be formally dressed and you should behave properly in a group discussion, and you should use gestures, body language, eye contact, and then you should communicate in a proper way. You can try, but you should not use abusive language. If you are not good in English also, it's okay, but you should try. That is the thing. And then that is mostly covers. And then if you can start initiate, so that you will get a extra mark. If possible, you can also conclude to fetch more marks. And then, can a group discussion be concluded? Yeah, it should be concluded because it is a topic we are all discussing, so it should have a conclusion, even if it is a general topic or it is a debate like topic. For example, traditional shopping or online shopping, cell phone is a boon or ban. For these topics, you should have to conclude on both perspectives. You have to conclude by starting with the praise, saying that on behalf of our group, like that you have to conclude. So this is the thing we have to note when it comes to conclusion. Is asking questions allowed? No, you should not ask any direct questions, but you can say things like could you please clarify more, or could you please give me the reference that you said earlier. Like that you can ask indirectly, but you are not supposed to ask directly. And then, how long should the GD be? Mostly the group discussion will be comprised of 8 to 10 minutes, but if it has a relaxed group discussion, it will go up to 12 or 13 minutes. When it is a tensed up competitive group discussion, it will be 5 minutes. Yeah, attended a group discussion at Jaro Education, which is an educational related work. In that, the group discussion is just 5 minutes. And then, what if someone else has told the point which I was about to say? Yeah, the thing here is you missed your chance. That is the thing here. So you have to speak earlier in a group discussion. If you are speaking in the 8th or 9th minute in a group discussion, everyone will speak your points, so you can't find any points to speak. So you have to speak at first. So the first thing is over. The second way is you can agree with that point. I agree with this point, like that you can start with the praise and you can add on to that point. Otherwise, the third way is just drop and come up with fresh ideas. What to do if I don't understand the question? Yeah, if you don't understand the topic, you can't ask them directly, sir, could you please explain the topic? Then you won't select you for that job. So you have to wait, let others speak, so you will get an idea and then you can speak. That is the thing you can do. I am no good at English, bro. What to do? Okay, I am getting your feelings, bro. I am also not good in English, but somehow I will manage. But in this case, what you should do is just think, if you don't know English, what you will do in a group discussion? You won't speak, you will be sitting idle. So what will happen? The evaluator won't give you any marks. Obviously, he is not going to select you for that job. So the result is he is not going to select you. So what you can do is you can speak something and you can get rejected. Without speaking anything, rejecting is different, but by speaking anything, if you got rejected, that will be satisfaction, that will be more satisfied. So what is the thing I will say is just speak whatever comes to your mind. Even if you don't know English, it's not a problem, just speak. The evaluator may select you for trying or for the ideas that you have. English is just a language, not a knowledge, so note that point. How can be so much confident to speak in group discussion? Yeah, interesting question, brother. For becoming more confident, you have to practice more topics. The topics which was asked in earlier group discussions. You can speak in front of a mirror so that you can identify the flaws in you, and also you can record a video of you speaking and you can watch that video again and again, so rectify the mistakes you have in you, so that you will be more confident on the day of group discussion. Could you please suggest some useful phrases? Yeah, I have added the link in my description, so you can check there. There it has more useful phrases that you can use in the group discussion. It will be very useful. I have checked all those and I have posted the link in the description box, so you can kindly check there. Are we allowed to carry a piece of paper? Yeah, you are allowed. You can carry a piece of paper to jot down the points that they are saying in a group discussion, so that you will get an idea, and also you can speak more in that group discussion. And the thing is, if they said that you are not supposed to bring any paper, then you are not supposed. It is a rule protocol, so you should follow that. Only if it is forbidden, you should not go with the paper. Otherwise, you can go for all group discussions. What if the topic of discussion is something I don't know or I know less about it? Yeah, it's again the same answer. If you don't know or you know less about the topic, just wait, let others speak. You will grab some more ideas and then come up with your points. Is there any prefixed time limit for a discussion? It is based on the evaluator only, because he is going to conduct the GD. If he got bored, he will end up the GD soon. Otherwise, he will take more time. So no time for any prefixed time limit for discussion. He will be watching that, and whenever he feels bored, he will say just conclude, like that's it. So you don't need to check your watch frequently, often, so that you can complete it on time, like that and all. That is not a problem. He will say, the evaluator will take care of those things. Just a thing you should do is speak up. What would you ask? Why would you ask such a question? Oh, any questions or doubts regarding group discussion? For making this YouTube video only, I posted that question. Now I have completed all those things. Thank you for watching this video. If it is useful for you, you can share this video so that some other people may also get helped. And then do check out that VM Foundations NGO of my friend. And then thank you friends. Bye.